As we grow older, some of us might ask, what is life like outside our comfort zone? I went outside and asked myself, what if traveling the world is exactly what I need? My journey began in 2021 and recently, I had the chance to explore the stunning island of Bohol. And today, together with some of my friends, we are taking you to somewhere cool, fresh, and breathtaking views. None other than in this video, I'll take you on a quick tour of 7 places you can visit in Claveria. For this trip, I use my own car, which I highly recommend if you are traveling with friends or with family. By the way, Villanueva and Claveria are only about 17 kilometers apart, which is roughly around 20 to 30 minute drive. Sometimes. Now that we've covered how to get there, let's jump into our quick tour of 7 must-visit spots in Claveria. Alright guys, first stop na makaroon namin diri sa Daro. Pila kita mo? Ang entrance.
Room around 100 each. Tapos dapat may 200 each consumable para sa mag-coffee, sa resto, mag-dining sa resto, o sa pizza house.
Okay, okay. 100 sa katong diri lang no?
Yes sir, 100 ang room around.
Room around. We kicked off our trip with a refreshing stop here at Daro Country Park, a peaceful nature spot perfect for relaxing and taking in the cool breeze of Claveria. Next, we headed to the iconic Claveria View Deck. You can't visit Claveria without stopping here. The view is absolutely stunning. Parking lot here is free, but you need to pay 30 pesos each. If you are hungry, you can buy a food here and some souvenirs. Just nearby View Deck is Hiraya Farm, a beautiful rustic spot that gives off cozy cabin in the hills vibes. After all that sightseeing, it was time for lunch, and we chose Don Narciso Cafe. The food was great and the atmosphere made it even better. With our energy recharge, we went straight to Kilubag Falls. If you are up for a little adventure, this hidden gem is absolutely worth to visit. Entrance fee is 200 pesos that includes a back and forth ride. Next, we visited the Memorial Shrine of Flight 387. Entrance fee is 25 pesos per person. Video mo gati. Video rin.
Libre na tayo kapat mo. Libre mo sa birthday pa?
Hello,
Oh, birthday man. Dagan kicks na siya.
Sa mga yung Illuminada Garden Resort ba to?
Video na po.
Video na po.
Looking on my blunt tattoo, not here.
And that's it guys, let's wrap up our tour here in Claveria. From scenic views to hidden waterfalls and cozy cafes to meaningful landmarks, this trip reminded me how much beauty we have here in Philippines. Let me know in the comments which spot you'd love to visit. Thanks for watching and see you on the next adventure. Peace!
If I stay alone, I will feel